How to change name on a flight ticket on Rex Airlines. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can change name on flight tickets on Rex Airlines. So let's go. The first step is to log into your Rex Airlines account, just like I've done here. Once you're logged in, where you can see some action tabs like plan and book, manage bookings, ready to fly, etc. Scroll down to the section where you can see book flights, manage bookings, web check-in. So ensure you click on manage bookings and you'll be taken to the manage booking page. On this page, you can see the write-up which says see your bookings with us, where possible make changes, update your personal details and more. Amongst the personal details, is for you to change the name on your e-ticket. So enter in your booking reference, your first name, last name, retrieve booking, then you'll be asked to select the flight that you would like to change the name on the ticket. So select the flight and you'll be taken to the flight detail page. For this page, look for the option to change name on your ticket. It will be on the page. It will be there. So look for the option, select it. After selecting the option, follow the prompt to submit your name change request. You may need to provide supporting documents such as a marriage certificate or ID, depending on the type of name change. And then after doing that, to be confirmed, and then you'll be asked to make a payment. So after making your payment, you must note that the fee may vary depending on your fare type and the specific circumstances of the name change. So whichever amount you're charged, ensure you make your payment so that your name, the change of name can be effected. And then once it's effected, the name on your ticket will be changed automatically. So this is it. All right, ensure you upload all the documents required, click on submit, and you're good to go. Thank you for watching and have a good day.